Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Got a Mastercard gift card but can't use it for online purchases? You might need to add a zip code first. Here's how. Step 1. Visit the website on the back of your card. It's usually something like www.mygiftcard.com or a similar provider. Log in or enter your card details. You will need the card number, expiration date, and security code. Look for the option to register or add billing information. Enter your zip code. This helps match your card to online payment systems. Save your changes. Now you now your card is ready for online and gas station purchases. And that's it. Now you can shop online hassle free. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.